Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Guys, we'll demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 right here, but even if you have a different year, but that generation, it may work as well. You have two different fuse boxes. One is right under the hood on your Ford F-150. Right above, guys, the radiator fan. That's the cover here. We don't need that one. We need the one that's inside the cabin. The one that's part of the body control module. We're talking about the one right here under the glove box, in the kick panel, and in the passenger foot compartment. You open that cover, and once you open it, you're going to see your fuse box layout just like that. We took a picture, we zoomed it so we can clearly demonstrate where each one of those fuses is located. But before we do that, let me explain why it's important to test fuses and relays.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
The fuse, guys, that you need to check, it's super easy to find. It's a 20 amp fuse, and if you come in that row, the second row from left to right, the very top fuse, that's known as fuse number F19 right here. That's for the DSP, digital signal processing, guys. Audio digital signal processing. Check that fuse right here.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.